We're going antique slash vintage shopping. One of my favorite places to go here in the Valley is called Call It New, Call It Antique. The front half of the store is like a consignment, and then the back half is like some antique vendors. I absolutely love going there. They have clothes, furniture, antiques, secondhand. It's just awesome. I love it, and I haven't been there in quite some time. So I figured, let's go today. So I real quickly thought I would show you my little outfit that I'm wearing. So I just recently got this vest. I got it for Disney actually, because it was gonna be a little bit cold, but not too cold. And I'm in love with it. I love it so much. I went into Lululemon with my friend and it was on clearance. So I was like, okay, but it is online. So I will link this down below. This isn't a size 10. And I love that it's like, it's just perfect. I love it. And then I have my Dagny Dover bag, a new Skims top. I don't think I've shared this one with you guys. Also, do not mind my mess back there. That's all of my desk stuff that I need to put back on my desk. Lululemon leggings and my Sambas, the most comfortable shoe I have ever owned. I love these. They also are super fashionable and make every outfit look even better. And they just restocked, so I'll link these down below. I try to link as much as possible in the description. So if you see something you like, check the description or just leave a comment and I will link it if I can. But this is today's outfit. Let's go shopping. This is Call It New, Call It Antique. One of my faves. First thing I found was this stoneware bowl. I like this. $23. This little stoneware vase is very pretty. If I don't use this in my house, I'm working on a project that I can use it for, and $8.75 cannot pass this up. Also really like this one. It's just a little shiny. It is only $8.75, but I think I'm gonna pass this one up. I don't know, I like it, but it's not like a must-have. Kind of has like an iridescent sheen to it. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is so cute. $15 for this little tennis racket. Ooh, I like that little vase too. That'd be pretty for outside. If I had a fireplace, these brass like fireplace fronts, I don't exactly know what these are called, but those would be so pretty. $89. Okay, I'm finding stoneware everywhere. Look at this one. It's brown, super cute. $6.50. That's a great price. But I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Very pretty though. This cover that looks like it'd be so pretty. $38.50. Wait, and it's a king reversible botanical for $38.50. Should I go green for our bedding? Oh gosh, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. There's too much. Just found this basket, $6.50. It's the perfect basket to put together a little hostess gift little basket in. So I am taking that home. And then look at these. These are huge little spoons, $11.36. I love those. I wish I had. I mean, I could put them on the wall. Oh my gosh, I love this little footstool. It's $45 though. I love that with the leather top. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I think it's $142. Way too spendy, but gosh, that's gorgeous. Makes such a pretty vase. This little piece would be perfect for a seamstress or a craft room. You can put like your buttons or thread in here, your bits and bobs. I like this. I'd probably lay it flat on a surface, like a flat surface, but pretty. I love that. I love a rustic vibe. Okay, wait, look at this little box. That's cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I need to see how much this is. Okay, I can't find a price on it, but So cute. Kind of like this little ashtray, $6.95. That's really cute for a little catch-all. Kind of love that. I love this little booth. Always such good stuff in here. Kind of love these. Oh, kind of love these a lot. Set of 5 though. I love little boxes like this for bedside table styling. This looks like a little beetle. $20. Oh, it's a tobacco box. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm finding way too much stuff. But I kind of love this. Dang it. 50% off. 50% off. Okay, fine. Getting it. $10. That's worth $10. Okay, this is one of my favorite little areas. Already noticed a little chest. I've got to be done with the chest. I found way too many. But let's peek around and see what else. Oh, look at that lamp. That's kind of cool. Getting up close, I don't love it as much. That is really pretty for like the side of a fireplace. How much is that? $72. You guys, this chest is only $49. Oh my gosh. I don't know what is that gum? Please don't tell me that's gum. But I feel like I'm finding the best prices. Unfortunately, I feel like Arizona doesn't have the best thrift shopping, so antique shopping is kind of what you have to do, or at least in my experience. So these are good prices to me, but some of you are probably cringing. I want these little glasses. Those are so cute for Christmas decor. I want them. Honestly, these chairs, if we reupholstered them, these could be really cool. I like these. Okay, I have a project that I'm working on. I'm working on so many projects right now, but these would be really cool because we need something super low. Wait a minute. Are these $36? Wait, no. Is that for both of them? What? Okay, I might need to try to pull one of these out. One sec. Oh yeah, they're gonna fit. Oh yeah. Woohoo! You guys, these things stink. Oh no. Okay, they definitely smell stinky, but $36 for 2 chairs? You have got to be kidding me. I am so happy about these chairs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know where they're gonna go. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go in a project that I'm doing for a friend of mine in her living room. It's not gonna be for a while, which is fine because I need to figure out how to reupholster or hire someone to reupholster the cushions or see if I can find those dimensions online. But I am so excited about this purchase. This has got to be one of my better purchases I have ever made. I am so excited. Oh, they're so good. All right, home from antique / thrift shopping. I got some good stuff. I'm actually super excited for all the things that I got. The first thing I got is actually for my friend. So I'm helping her do her room. During Black Friday, we were looking at parachute at the Jake Arnold set for her room, for her new bedding. We didn't end up getting it. I think it sold out, but then I was there today and you guys would have saw I was actually debating on this for our bedroom. And ultimately it totally goes with the vibe that we're going for her room. So I knew that this had to go to her. It's a size king anyway. Our bed's a queen, so it was kind of meant to be for her. This was $38.50, I believe. Yeah, $38.50. It's reversible. It has the scalloped edges. It's vintage. You can't beat this. It's so beautiful. And I'm just gonna have to find some pieces to go with it. Maybe mix some gingham with it or mix a couple different patterns just to give it a little bit more of that collected look. I'm really loving pattern play lately, so hopefully I'll be able to find some stuff to go with this because my friend that I'm helping out is very much into that as well, and I can definitely get away with that. So that's the first thing that I got. And then I found this stoneware bowl. This was the first thing that I found. This was $23, but it was on sale. I got it for $17.25. I just thought this would be perfect for any sort of shelf styling or anything like that. I don't have anything like this, so it was perfect for my collection. And then I found this vase here. This was $8.75, but I think it was on sale. $6.56. $6. Again, perfect for any sort of like shelf styling. I can use it as a vase on a bedside table, on a coffee table, on a side table. Really anything like that. I love that it's a little bit more of that chocolate brown. Beautiful. And I think this one is handmade because the bottom looks like it is handmade. So this was really beautiful. And then I got this little guy here for, this one I think was $6.95. And it's just a little vase. Again, bedside table, anything like that. These are perfect. This is also really good for makeup brushes, toothbrushes, paint brushes, really anything like that. So I had to get this. Whenever I see special little pieces like this, I always try to pick them up because they come in handy. I love these. And I was telling Zach, I know that I like slightly talked to you guys about it, but I definitely went through a phase of, I don't know, just a weird lull in my channel, and I really want to style with you guys some more, and I'm really holding myself accountable. So I'm going to be sharing way more styling in the near future, maybe during Vlogmas. So I'm just adding to my inventory. Then I found this vintage brass ashtray. You could use this for a catch-all, but I also think you could put a taper candle in this and let the wax fall. I don't know, I just thought that this was really cute. Also for a bedside table to corral your jewelry, your whatever, your lip balm, your whatever, hand creams. Well, maybe not hand cream, this is a little small for that, but anything like that. I love little pieces like this, especially little vintage ashtrays or cigar trays. Really, really cute. And then this little guy too. So I really don't love too many tchotchkes. Is that what they're called? Trinkets, tchotchkes, however you say that word. I really love substantial decor. However, there are times when certain little trinkets are really cute. Like, again, on a bedside table, or sometimes you need them on a coffee table. Just little pieces that help fill up a space. So when I saw this little guy here, I had to have him. Kind of reminds me of a little beetle. Doesn't that kind of look like a little beetle? I love this. You could also clean this out, sterilize it, put some of your headache medicine in here, whatever. You can use this for so many different things. But I love that it's patinaed and it's old. It's just, oh, I loved it. I had to have it. This was 50% off. So this was actually originally $20, which I was gonna put it back. And then I saw that that booth was 50% off. So I was like, okay, I want it. So I got this. And then I got this basket for $6.50. I love this. I have been so into baskets lately. And actually, someone wrote a comment on one of my videos that said that they really appreciate my love for baskets lately. And I don't know what it is, I just love them. I feel like I slowly go through, it's like vases, and then it's this, and then it's that. It's like once I complete that collection or complete it, I kind of move on to the next thing or fall in love with a new thing. So I just thought that this was so beautiful. You could use this as a harvest basket. I want to use this for a host gift basket. You could use this for, you know, picking flowers, going out in so many different things. You could use this for treats in a guest bedroom. You can have it at the end of their bed. I mean, baskets just come in handy for so many things. And then the last thing that I got, literally, it was 4:47. They closed at 5 o'clock. And I'm going down this last little aisle and I see these chairs and I was like, wow, those chairs were actually really cute. I think I vlogged the whole thing. I think I got my real reaction on the vlog. I got two chairs for $36. Originally, I was gonna get them for a project that I'm working on for a friend. I brought them in and Zach liked them. So he loves them. However, they do need some reupholstering, but I'm gonna try that on the vlog. If I can't figure it out, then I'll have someone custom do it, but...
I think you can do it.
You do?
You've never done it, but I say that about things you do all the time. Like, how'd you do that?
I know, I could probably figure it out, but you approve.
You came in, you actually said you were gonna give them to a friend to like style and like hold on to them, whatever. I was like, we should keep these. These will be cool in a bar area or somewhere in our house.
I love them. Turn around so they can see the back. These are so amazing. They come on casters, which...
So we could clean those up and because it feels a little stiff.
Yeah, it needs a little, what's that stuff you put on it to oil them up?
WD-40.
WD-40. Zach made a really good point. I could go get new...
Foam, and then
yeah.
cut it to size, depending. But this fits. I would just try to reupholster. I think you could do it.
I think so too. I don't know if like the piping will be helpful. I don't know. I'm gonna watch a ton of YouTube videos and I'll try it out. I haven't used a sewing machine in years, so hopefully I can figure it out. But I kind of think it's like riding a bike.
But honestly, I thought it was cool. Obviously, I would think I would want it reupholstered as well.
Yeah, and I think this is oak, but it needs a real good clean. They're comfy too. I sat in them.
Like to have like in your like little lounge or a cocktail.
I know, I love them.
Honestly, did you say the price?
$36.
Like
$18 a chair.
That's crazy.
I know.
I like them. I will be excited to have this in our house.
See, when you're doing your arm though, it kind of looks like we might need to glue them up a little bit.
Well, they're old. They're $18 though.
I know. Oh yeah, right here. We're just gonna need to glue that up a little bit. But look at how beautiful these are. I cannot get over it. I cannot believe I got 2 chairs for $36. I already mentioned this, but in Arizona, I have not had the best luck with thrifting. I have gone to thrift stores and it's just not the same as back in Oregon. I need to go again. It's been a little bit. We went to one Goodwill and it actually was decent. What?
Can I do a little walk around the house of the stuff you've thrifted?
No, that's antique shops. I got all this antique.
What are you talking about thrifting then?
Like at like a thrift store where you donate to like an actual real thrift store. Do you know what I mean? Like
what do you mean though?
Well, like an antique store, isn't that kind of different from a thrift store?
Yeah, but you're saying you haven't thrifted well?
Not here. Like where I got like some, like at a thrift store, this would be like $1. You know what I mean? Like I'm overpaying because I feel like we just don't have the best thrifting
here. You get a lot of antiques though, just like this. The various are kind of that.
Yes, secondhand, yeah. But I feel like I do overpay a little bit. I mean, I don't know. Like compared to Oregon, I do feel like I overpay a little bit here, but I've had a hard time. I do need to go back to thrift stores. Zach and I actually went to a thrift store a couple of weeks ago and we were like, wait, this is actually not that bad. But it still was not like thrifting in Oregon. I mean, Oregon thrifting is the best for me anyway, from what I'm used to. So anyway, I feel like I scored today. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite. I am now gonna make some cookies. Zach and I have been craving some chocolate chip cookies. 'Tis the season. So I do my friend actually told me about this recipe on New York Times best chocolate chip cookies. They're amazing. And what's really cool about them is you can freeze them and cut off like, 2-4 cookies and then put the rest of the dough back in the freezer. So we love about that because we don't want to make a whole batch of them. So I'm gonna make those cookies right now and do that with you guys. I'm pretty sure I did this in last year's vlog, but I'm gonna do it again. There might be some repeats because we do certain things every year, the same things, because it's Christmas time and there's some of our favorite recipes and all of that. But I think I scored, you guys. I think I did pretty dang good at the thrift store today. You ready for some cookies?
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm all for Christmas.
Delicious.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.